And here's your new water heater. Lots of work went into this. We had to put a pan underneath. We had to rerun all this copper. And then we had to run this from the pan that we put underneath. Instead of putting drywall back up underneath here, I'll finish all that unfinished drywall there, but I put a 3/4 inch piece of plywood there, give it more stability, but it goes out the wall there. I'll put a ring around that too, like there is on that one. But this drains, should it blow ever in the future, it'll drain out the wall. And it will go here, which I put right next to the copper one. Put them level so they look nice. I'll paint that. The exterior color of the house. Anyway, so you can see what we did there. I wanted to show you that.